Hello and warm welcome to all of you. Dear students, today I am here with the part 3 of economic chapter number 3, poverty as a challenge. In the previous lecture, we had discussed common and social indicators of poverty. Even we had started how poverty is seen by social scientists. Indeed, we had discussed social exclusion. Now, social exclusion is a process through which individuals or groups are excluded from facilities, benefits, and opportunities that other section of the society they are enjoying. And best example of social exclusion in our country is caste system. In our country, on the basis of the caste system, some section of the society they are excluded to enjoy such facilities, benefits and opportunity in society. And because of it, these socially excluded people remain poor. So we can say that social exclusion can be both. It is a cause of poverty and it is also consequence of poverty. How? Because they are poor, they are not allowed to enjoy benefits, facilities and opportunity. So because of it, they are not able to develop themselves. So they remain poor. So we can say that social exclusion is a cause of poverty for the people. Even it is a consequence of poverty. Why they are excluded? Because they are poor. They are not getting the opportunities to develop themselves. So, social exclusion is a cause of poverty, it is a reason of poverty and it is consequence, it is a result of poverty also. Now the second concept of poverty by social scientists in the form of vulnerability. Vulnerability to poverty is a measure which describes the greater probability of certain communities. Vulnerability, it is a measure which is used by social scientists and which describe the greater probability of certain communities. In communities, we have to keep in mind members of backward caste. BC people, backward caste people, members of backward caste or individuals. Vulnerability is a measure of poverty which describe the greater probability of certain communities and individuals of becoming or remaining poor in coming years. It is a possibility vulnerability of poverty, which describe that certain communities or individuals, they becoming or remain poor in future. In certain community, as I told you, members of the backward class, in individual, widow and physically handicapped person are included. Social exclusion and vulnerability, these are the measure of poverty. So vulnerability is a measure which describe the greater probability of certain community or individual of becoming poor or remain poor in future. As we discuss in social exclusion, these group of people, they are not allowed to enjoy the facilities, benefits and opportunity which enjoyed by other community in the society. That's why they are poor. So these we can say the members of backward class. Widow, the lady who lost her husband. So after the death of her husband, she has to earn money, and as a lady, she is not able to earn enough like her husband. Handicapped person is not capable of doing work more in comparison to fully fit worker. So vulnerability of poverty is describing that the greater probability of certain community or individual of becoming poor in coming years, they are going to be poor. The lady who lost her husband, the handicapped person who is dependent on other and might lose all the family member. So in coming years, the person is going to be poor, or they remain poor. There is no possibility they are going to coming out of the poverty, because they are the members of backward class, or they are the widow, or they are the handicapped. So this is we can call a vulnerability to poverty. Vulnerability is determined by the option available to different communities for finding an alternative living in terms of asset, education, health and job opportunity. It is vulnerability to poverty determined by the alternative which they are going to get in the form of asset, education, health facilities and job opportunities. It is analyzed on the basis of the greater risk these groups face at a time of natural disaster. These vulnerable people to poverty, they suffer a lot at the time of natural disaster. Natural disaster like earthquake, tsunami, or maybe at a time of terrorism, these people suffer a lot. As we discussed that, they are not enjoying the facilities, benefits an opportunity like other in the society, or because the woman who becoming a widow or handicapped person, they are most vulnerable to poverty, and this group of people, they suffer a lot at the time of natural disaster like earthquake, tsunami, even at the time of terrorist attack. Additional analysis is made of their social and economic ability to handle these risks. These vulnerable people, their ability to handle these risks, the risk of natural disaster and terrorism activity, is very good. They are socially poor and they are economically also poor. In fact, vulnerability describes the greater probability of being more adversely affected than other people when bad time comes for everybody. Because of their vulnerability, they suffer a lot at the time of natural disaster than the others in the society. At a time of flood or earthquake, as you know that there is a restriction. Many people at a time of natural disaster, they lost their shelter. Even they are not able to fulfill their basic requirement. Most people into the society, they are adversely affected by natural disaster. But these vulnerable people to the poverty, they are affected lot because of this natural disaster. Because they are socially and economically, they are very poor. So we can say that at a time of natural disaster, these vulnerable people to poverty, they have to suffer a lot. In normal situation, they are also not able to fulfill their basic requirement. Even they are living in extremely poor condition. They are living in slum region. They are living in kacha houses. They are not getting the benefits of education and health which enjoyed by other people into the society. So because of all this, in normal situation, they are suffering. So you imagine at the time of natural disaster, what will be the condition of these vulnerable people to poverty? They have to suffer a lot at the time of natural disaster. Because they are vulnerable to poverty. So, vulnerability to poverty is a measure which describes the greater probability of certain communities. In certain communities, you have to keep in mind members of backward class. Greater probability of certain communities or individuals such as widow and handicapped person of becoming or remaining poor in future. This describe this group of people, member of backward caste and widow and handicapped person in coming years they are going to be poor, they are going to be poor or they remain poor. So, social exclusion and vulnerability to poverty, these are two measures by which social scientists seeing the poverty. So with this, I would like to conclude my today's lecture. Hope you all are clear of social exclusion and vulnerability to poverty. Thank you very much for your cooperation. We will meet again very soon with a new part of the chapter. Allah Hafiz.